another unboxing video with Esther. So today we are looking at this gorgeous laptop tote bag from a company called Matein. So let's start by looking at some of its key features. It's got this little bag that you could use to store your makeup or your electronics. Moving on to the inside of the bag, it comes with a polyester peach skin laptop compartment, which has a bit of padding to it. So this compartment can hold a laptop of 13 inches up to 15.6. One thing that I really love about this bag is that it has a lot of storage, which makes organizing your items super easy. So the bag is made out of PU leather and it's waterproof as well. It comes with an adjustable strap and also a retractable keychain. For last, and one of my favorite features of this bag is that it has a hidden USB charging port. However, to get this to work, you do need to buy a separate power bank. I have been using this bag for about a week and it's stylish and very comfortable. I haven't had any issues with it yet. I'm going to wear it a bit more longer before giving you guys an update. This brings us to the end of the video. I really hope that you guys are enjoying this type of content. If you are, please do give me a thumbs up so I can continue to film this kind of unboxing videos for you guys. And of course, if you are enjoying my channel, please do subscribe